Hello everyone! In this video, we are going to work in how to make questions using has got. In the video, in the slides, you found out how to make questions with have got, and in this one, we are going to learn how to do it with has got. Great! We are going to work with the vocabulary about animals that we have been working in the English lessons. Alright, let's start. The first animal that I have here is the crocodile. Look at the picture. The question is, has the crocodile got big teeth? What do you think? Has the crocodile got big teeth? Yes, of course. The crocodile has got big teeth. Look at them. Big, sharp teeth. This is a way in which you can answer, or there is another and shorter one. That is, yes, it has. Remember that it replaces a word noun that is crocodile. Okay, let's continue. Let's work with the lion. Look at the question. Has the lion got a short tail? What do you think? Look at the picture. Has the lion got a short tail? No, the lion hasn't got a short tail. Or a shorter answer would be no, it hasn't. Good job. Let's continue. The next animal I have here is a snake. Look at the question. Has the snake got a long body? What do you think? Is the snake's body long or short? Yes, the snake has got a long body. Or yes, it has. Good job, guys. Let's continue. The next animal I have here is a monkey. Do you like monkeys? I really like monkeys. Look at the question. Has the monkey got short arms? What do you think? No, the monkey hasn't got short arms. Or no, it hasn't. Remember that you don't use the two answers together. This is one answer and this is another one. The next animal I have is a penguin. Look at the question. Has the penguin got feathers? What do you think? Yes, the penguin has got feathers. Yes, it has. The penguin is a bird and it has got feathers. Now we are going to work with the elephant. Has the elephant got small ears? Look at these elephant ears. Are they small? No, the elephant hasn't got small ears. It has got big ears. Or no, it hasn't. Great. Now we have the lizard. Has the lizard got scales? What do you think? Yes, the lizard has got scales all over its body. Or yes, it has. Great. Now, a giraffe. Has the giraffe got a short neck? What do you think? Is it long or short? Is it long? So, if the question is, has the giraffe got a short neck? The answer would be no. The giraffe hasn't got a short neck. It has got a long neck. So first, we answer the question. The giraffe hasn't got a short neck, and then we correct it. It has got a long neck. Great. Or no, it hasn't. Excellent. Hippo. Look at this beautiful smile. The question is, has the hippo got a fat body? What do you think? Yes, of course. The hippo has got a fat body, a very fat body. Or yes, it has. Great. Now we have this beautiful animal. I think this is my favorite one. It is a tiger. Do you like tigers? Great. What happened with the question if we have 2 tigers or even 3? Look at this. It changed a little bit. We use have instead of has. Have the tigers got black and white stripes? What do you think? Are these beautiful stripes black and white? No, the tigers haven't got black and white stripes. They have got black and orange stripes. Or no, they haven't. Both answers are okay. Great. Now, take a look. Here, when we ask with have, we answer using have. But if we ask with has, we answer using has. All right? Great. It was nice to see you and to learn together.